Guys, seriously, outside it looks like it's gonna rain, guys. Like, look at the sky. It looks like it's gonna rain. I can smell the rain already. I wonder if actually the rain is gonna come because we have chances a storm might come today. So tasty out there, guys. But this storm is not really bad. Just rain, thunder, lightnings, and like usual stuff. So yeah, bye.